Hello students, how are you everybody? Greetings of the day. I welcome you all on behalf of my educational channel Raj Bioscope. As you know students, CBSE has changed its strategy of curriculum and examinations keeping in view of the pandemic situation. Especially in the subject of English, the students are going to face for the first time a completely new pattern of examination. Your first term examination will be held by CBSE in the month of November. Here I am going to discuss about the unseen passage that you are going to face in the forthcoming examinations. After carefully studying the passage, please try to answer the questions that follows in the Google form. I have given the link in the description section to access you the Google form. Hence, see the question in the screen. Try to understand and answer the questions in the Google form. You will get the correct answer instantly after submission of the form. But before that, my dear students, one small request, give a like to this channel and subscribe the channel to get more similar updates. So students, here goes the passage. Please listen carefully and at the same time watch to the screen. Keep your watch accurate. For some people, moving up the time on their watch will help them get up earlier. For others, they will remember that the time on their watch is wrong and will disregard it altogether. It may be helpful to set your watch just 2 minutes ahead instead of 5 or 10. Now, the second para. Keep a clock, phone, computer, or anything that displays time in each room of your house. One of the easiest ways to run late is simply by not realizing that the time is passing as quickly as it is. Now see the para third. Set all your clocks and watches to the same time. Don't be an optimist. Things usually take longer than what you would expect, even without major delays. If you have a dinner appointment at 7:30 p.m., don't think you can work till 7 p.m. Then take a bath, dress, and reach on time. Realistically, calculate the time you will take up each step and then add 10 minutes more to allow for unexpected delays, or you cannot get to your job done in time. Now, para fourth. Wake up when you are supposed to wake up. Don't hit the snooze button. Keep on lying in bed and watch TV at the very start of your day. Maybe you can try even setting your clock 10 minutes earlier than you need. If you have difficulty with this, move your alarm clock to somewhere away from your bed. That way you will have to get up to turn it off. Commit yourself to being 15 minutes early for everything. If you have to reach your place of work at 8, don't even tell yourself this. Just tell yourself and everyone else who listens. But don't annoy them or make them think that they are late or early. I have to be at work at 7:45. If you do this, you will be on time, even with little unforeseen delays. You will be on time, even with a traffic jam. Now, students, you can click in the link in the description section to access the Google form. My best wishes to you and best of luck for your forthcoming examination. Jai Hind.